Welcome back to another video. For this video, it's going to be the analysis and game plan for Wednesday, 24th of September. Jumping right into the charts, we have a daily SSMT with YM making higher highs, Nasdaq and S&P making lower lows. Lower highs. On the hourly candle, we do have an intraday SMT as well between Nasdaq and ES, comparing it with the two sessions, London and New York. So my fib is going to start from this high to this low. For the day of Tuesday, we reversed the entire expansion on Monday. So the highest probable draw for the rest of the week would be Monday's low. Zooming out, what PD arrays then can we look for below Monday's low? On Nasdaq, we have this tiny little volume imbalance. On ES, we have this volume imbalance as well, but it was utilized before on Monday. Okay, let me just zoom it out. Maybe you can see a little bit clearer on where this is. Okay, so this is Monday's low, and then we have Friday's low. Below Friday's low, we have this volume imbalance for Nasdaq. This is going to be the main objective for the week, the weekly expansion. This is how I am seeing the price action playing out. So on the 1 hour time frame, if I were to draw the fib from this swing high to this swing low, this is our current dealing range. I'm looking for price to trade at least back into 50% before even considering anything at all. This is clearly an expansion, not a CISD trade. So we're going to have to look at the displacement trade. Hopefully it trades into OTE. If not, it's going to be on the lower time frames, right? I only need one asset to trade into 50% to short the market. If S&P trades into 50%, it works. If YM trades into 50%, it works as well. And once they do so, I would like to see an intraday SMT, because it's not trading to the OTE, which means it's going to be really bearish. So I would require an SMT on the intraday. It can be a session SMT. It can also be an hourly SMT. It works. It's gonna work. Hourly SMT meaning hourly swing highs SMT, because sometimes you get the SMT within a single session, so that works as well. But of course, best case scenario, I get the session SMTs. And that's the game plan for indices. I'm bearish. Heading over to Forex. On the daily time frame, Euro, we have closed above the bullish inversion. It was supposed to restrict the price, but yesterday we closed above it. Right now, it looks like it's trying to form a swing high on the daily. Let me just double check. It's the same high right here. Okay. In a perfect world, we're going to see a retracement on Wednesday and then continuation higher on Thursday, due to the fact that we are disrespecting bearish PD arrays. Looking at the 4 hours, we have a couple of swing lows down here. These are potential stop hunts before moving higher. There is no SMT on the highs, therefore I can't anticipate a reversal yet, even though we are bearish on the higher time frames. So we're gonna have to wait a few more days to have a confirmed objective of the weekly candle. Right now, it's a wait and see approach for the Forex. And lastly, for Euro, British Pound, even though it's a consolidation on Tuesday, it has a very long wicks on both sides. Anticipating Wednesday to be an inside candle, and if possible, we trade into this fair value gap right here while it forms a swing high over here. So meaning forming a swing high with an inside candle right here, and then on Thursday we trade lower, and then Friday we continue higher into next Monday to take out the objective, the higher time frame objective. The reason why I say that is because from this swing low on the daily time frame to this potential swing high, this fair value gap is about 50% of the current daily range. So as long as price can trade into the 50%, I would be very interested to take a trade. Now, because it's a daily level, I will have to use the hourly CISD to confirm the change in the state of delivery. Alright, and that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you again. Good luck trading.